Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Hello guys, welcome back.
If you're new, my name is Mario.
My name is Nikki.
We're gonna be reacting to Minami MV. This is called Crying for Rain. This got suggested by one of our Twitch subs, Patreon, YouTube subs, Conga.
Shout out.
Shout out to him. We're gonna go ahead and react to this and then we'll talk about it. So we heard his peak. We're gonna find out. So let's do it.
Whoa.
Dude, okay.
Damn.
Oh, dude, I got chills. Dude, wait,
This artist sounds familiar.
yeah. I've never heard the full song. Yeah, bro.
That's good.
Okay. Geek ass song. Love how dramatic this is.
If the anime sucks, like it's kind of sad they used it for this like hype song for it. Then
Sometimes it happens, babe. Cause this looks peak, bro. Oh my
damn.
gosh. Wow.
This kind of sounds like the artist for Dan Dan. What's her name?
Aina the end?
Yes.
Ooh. Dude. This shit is so big. Dude, the guitar to end the song.
I feel like this would be a good song to go running to, you know?
Dude, yes.
Running towards my destiny.
To my destiny.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, that shit was peak.
That was freaking awesome.
All right, you guys were definitely right. This is a peak song. We don't know about the anime. We've heard that it's not that great, but this song, 10 out of 10. What do you think, babe?
Very good. Like we said, I don't know who the artist is, but it kind of sounded like Aina
The end.
the end.
Yeah.
Or had that like raspiness
Yes.
in her
yeah.
voice
Uh-huh.
at those like moments, at those like peak moments. But
Yeah.
such a good song. I mean, like I said, it made me want to do something, you know?
Yeah, dude. It was hype, even though it was dramatic. Like there was like the flow of the song was really good.
Yeah.
And I know you said she reminds you of like I know the end, but she reminds me of the person that did one of the opening songs, and it could be the same person or it could be somebody completely different. Fullmetal Alchemist, I want to say one of the opening sounds exactly like her. I could be wrong. I don't know.
wouldn't doubt if that's the case though. I mean, a lot of artists do make music for, you know,
Other
yeah, so I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah, so I mean, I don't know if it is the same or not, but this was peak. The music was awesome. The music video was even telling, like it was, you can tell it plays with like the subtitles, like with lyrics. But that's some good stuff. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I might even put it on my playlist low key because I have an anime playlist, and whenever we hear bangers, that's where they go. So
And whenever we go to the gym, that's where it goes.
yeah, I actually, guys, it was the first time we vlogged today. We did a gym vlog, and I actually was trying to put one of the songs that I was listening to was an anime opening song, but I don't think the camera was able to get it. But
Oh, the To Be Hero X one.
yeah, it was one of the To Be Hero X ones, but yeah.
Iconic.
Peak, guys, let us know if this song is like one of the best songs for this artist, or if you have any recommendations, put it in the comments below. And that's it for us. We'll see you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Love y'all, and peace.
Bye.